Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some sweet potato honey bun cake. Super easy to make, and I know you guys will enjoy this recipe. So please, on your way in, if you could hit the like, comment, and also subscribe and join the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is whip our cream cheese, which I will have all the ingredients linked down below so that way you can follow along with the recipe. So y'all, my bad, off camera I went ahead and added the 4 eggs, and I also added the vegetable oil, but again I will have everything listed down below so you can get the proper and precise measurements. Next, we'll be adding our pureed sweet potatoes. And next, we'll be adding a whole box of yellow cake mix. And it could be whatever brand. Today, I'm using Betty Crocker. Now, you want to just blend all your ingredients until everything is well incorporated and nice and smooth. Now we're going to add our vanilla extract. Then we'll be adding a few drops of orange food coloring. And this is just going to enhance the color and give you that more vibrant color at the end. Now we're just going to take a spatula and we're just going to mix everything together just to make sure everything is off the edges. We're not trying to waste nothing. Now for our cinnamon sugar, we're going to be using some brown sugar, and you want to use the light brown sugar. Next, we'll be adding our cinnamon. And we're just going to mix it lightly, and we're done with the cinnamon sugar. Now we're just going to take our greased pan and start layering our cake. We're going to pour the first layer down, and we're just going to smooth it out just to make sure it's nice and even. Next, for the middle, we're going to add our cinnamon sugar, and you want to add a generous amount. Now we're just going to add another layer of the cake batter. And we're just going to lightly spread this over the top of the cinnamon sugar. Make sure you don't do it too hard because you don't want to make the sugar and cinnamon come to the top. Now we're just going to bake on 350 for about 25 to 28 minutes. In the meantime, let's get started on our icing. So all you will need here is 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Now we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to be adding 4 tablespoons of milk. Now we're just going to stir everything together until it's nice and smooth. And we want a very light consistency, so you don't want it to be too thick, but you want it to be just a little off runny. So now that our cake is out of the oven and cooled lightly for about 30 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add our glaze on the top. You just want to tilt it just to make sure all of that glaze get over the top of the cake. And just like that, we made ourselves some quick and easy sweet potato honey bun cake. This came out so good, and it's best to eat when it's still a little warm. So you guys, I hope you guys get a chance to try out this recipe. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. I really do appreciate your support. And if you can do me a favor and leave me a cupcake down in the comment section, that way I know you made it to this part, and you will be entered in next Friday's giveaway. I'm thinking maybe Cash App. So if you have a Cash App, please leave me a cupcake with your Cash App name, and I'll be sure to leave the winner in my community tab. There, and peace.